Alright everyone, this is a red toolbox that my dad gave me a couple years ago. He had a garage fire and this toolbox wasn't in it, so there was a few spots on the sides here, and I want to say the right back portion were burnt up real bad. So I sanded it down and then I spray painted it blue, that color obviously, and then the paint I used ran on me really bad. It did the inside really good. Like, I have no runs or anything on the inside, which is kind of red-assing, but nothing on the inside ran where you would be okay with a run. So I had to sand it down. I sanded it down. There's a few spots, I don't know if they're coming up on the camera or not, that have orange peel, but I don't think I'm going to take it down any more than it already is. I'm kind of actually thinking I might just try to spray a clear coat over it and leave it the way it is. That way you can see some exposed metal, some red, and then the blue. I don't know if there's a place I can get like a drawer for this, or what I'm even going to use this thing for. It was just, I had some blue paint, I'm about to move, I wanted to see what I could do with it, try to use it up so it wouldn't be wasted. And this is what happened. Let me turn the front so it's in the actual sun as well. But I like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I was gonna. I might just leave it like this.